Hi, hello, welcome to Dusty Shop, where bad decisions are rabid and planning is lacking. So, don't do what we do. Well, you could try it. Have fun with it. You know, do the YouTube stuff. Click like and subscribe. Alright, thanks. Alright, Circus Goers, so here we go. I finally got some stuff in there. Boy, that box just looks a little rough. But anywho, so we got parts in for the c230, the little Mercedes. So, with that being said, let's start on this thing. Let's start out with some of the basics. I got the stuff to do the so we got the stuff to do plugs, oil change, stuff like that. Needs to be done. Shoot that right there on that sticker. Yes, I am. Right on the sticker. Okay. So take this off right here. This just comes off, and that's probably more better days in the world of Mercedes. Okay, so let's get this little booger right here out of the way. Oh man, come on, there we go. Be gentle here. Be gentle with me. Be gentle with me. All right. There we go. There's one. Ooh, come on. Come on. Come on. There's another one. You know, plastic's plastic. And I'm making it's on a Chevrolet or one of these things, man. Everybody makes their stuff out of plastic. I don't know why. It just is. All right. Let's get man, that light is just absolutely not even happening. Not even really doing anything right there. There we go. Maybe a little bit better. Alright. Let's get us an inverted torque. Which one is it? Because you know, these things are inverted torques. Well, it ain't that one. So it is that one. Alright. Ooh, come on. Looks okay. It's corroded. Let's get all these coils out first, and then what we'll do, we'll clean out them holes before we start pulling them spark plugs. Get all that junk. Get all this junk out of here. Alright. You know, like everybody else, I don't get to always do cool stuff in the shop. Sometimes it's this stuff. It's part of it. I'm gonna bring this tractor in there and see if we can't fix that seat on the tractor one day too. Yeah, that way. Roof. Looks good. Other than the insulation that's falling down in there, let's get the shot back. Oops. Let's get the shot back. I don't know what the hell happened there. I didn't do that. I don't know what that is. Let's go find a shot back. Let's shot back this thing out. We'll shot back. Alright, with all that funnery done, let's okay, now that that's clean. Well, here in a minute, I'll go out there and pull out another car and take a look, see why that dipstick tube don't work. Okay. magnet will pick up my socket, but it won't pick up this. Yeah, those are pretty fouled. No, yeah, there's no doubt about that. Okay. Oh, I trust that absolutely not at all to do that. So I gotta, where's the rubber hose? Is it in here? Is it in here? Usually keep it in here. Oh my God, it's out of here. A little much. Like I said, I usually do like everybody else. I just kind of beat on these things on the side of the car so they go where I want them to go. It's kind of weird because these things didn't have NDCs. Okay, well, we'll just okay, there's one. And guess what? All right, yeah, I found some. A little bit of little packet thingies. Just like these things in my shop. I had my shop. These are the greatest. This seemed kind of weird. I know where the car's been being taken to and everything else, and I was expecting a little. It was been a little different, I guess. But that's okay. Now these I will not torque down. Yeah, they're gonna get the good. We're gonna do German. Good and tight. Got going on here. What I gotta go? There it goes. There it goes. Alright. There we go. Alright. So we're gonna call that all the plugs are in. Alright, circuit goers, so as you can see, I've got the car up in the air because it does not like ramps. So I really don't want to start it. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm draining the oil, and I come underneath here, and I drop the old belly pan down, and I notice, so I can get y'all in here, some light. I got oil down the side of my, down to there. It looks like. Best I can tell. So, I don't know if you see it or not. The back, it looks like the back of that cover. A lot of oil back there. A lot of oil. So, I'm gonna dig a little investigating, see where that is coming from. I don't remember back there, off my head, but we're gonna find out. As soon as that oil done draining, I'll put a pressure oil in it, put a filter in it. I ain't been changed in a while. Get some gas, and then we're gonna fire it up and see what that is. see what we got going on back there. Is it something to come loose? What? It's the belly pan is pretty oily. I'm going to leave it out and clean it up pretty good. So, let me finish this little oil change, and we'll come back and see what we figure out with. All right, circus goers. So yeah. So I stopped today. This is kind of the next day scenario. I got the right oil filter. Yeah, got the wrong one. There's two, the different class. But anyhow, so we got plugs in it now. We got the oil changed. Now before, she just not real happy. Oh, I put 5 gallons of gas in it with some additives, that Lucas additive that I got. So, oh yeah, muy better. She would not do that. As soon as you hit the key, she would die. So, I don't see any leaks. I mean, from the oil change, there is a leak back here. And I'm gonna dig some equipment out, put some more fender covers over this thing. And now that it runs, let's see what we can figure out where it's coming from. Hopefully it's something easy. So, I'm gonna shut it down for right this second. We know it's running good. We got that part taken out. I'm not leaving a key in it, because then I gotta go fetch another key, and that's not anywhere close. So, let me dig out the scanner. Like I said, I'm gonna do a little bit more, put some more mats down on this thing, cover it up a little bit, mow, and I'm gonna go and get out the scope and more lights, and let's take a look in the back and see. Like I said, we've seen it earlier in this video. We got a leak back there somewhere. So let's see where there is leaking from. Maybe it's a hose. Alright, circus goers, so now that we're back, let's get some light on this there subject. Hopefully. See what we can't, it's back here somewhere. Oil is coming from. Maybe that oil filter. I don't know. But, so I got my scanner. And so I'm going to stick that up there. Where's the end of it? There it is. There it is. Yeah, it's a camera. Yeah, little board camera. This little thing has been a pretty good little lifesaver. So, this part doesn't matter. So we kind of warmed her up a little bit. So when we looked up here earlier, oh man, so that light over there is just too bright. What we're trying to do here. Gotta get our light behind us. No, I got the nice exhaust, nice and oh man, you're trying to get this in here, get that in there. Get all these elements and look around and see what we got. Not looking at where I want to be looking at. There it goes. What we got here? Okay, well up here. Oh. I'm just kind of probing around before I go completely like crazy. Let's see where I'm at. Let's see where we're traveling from. Oh man, looks like this gasket back here, but it looks I can't tell if it's a 2-piece, 1-piece. What do we got going on there? Almost looks like it'd be easier to pick the car up off the ground and look at it from there. I might have to move some stuff around. I gotta do that anyway because the car's gonna go back there for the brakes. So, alright. So I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the pans off. They need to be cleaned anyway, so we're gonna clean the pans. I'm gonna bring this thing up in the air because it might be easier just to look up from. I may not even need this, but I was just trying to see. It is that cover back. One of these, this little cover thing back here somewhere. It looks like it needs to be. So it doesn't look like it is coming from the valve cover. Best I can tell. Let's see. Nope. Because the valve cover's right there, and that's all dry. It's not the valve cover. Kind of everything up high is dry. Looks like down there is dry. Dry. So it looks like it's just this back cover on the bottom. So but it is a pretty significant leak back here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this bad boy up in the air. What I gotta do anyway, I gotta move some things around here in the shop so that way I can get this thing where I want it. I gotta do some bit of cleanup. Now I can pick this thing up, like from underneath. So I guess what we'll do is we'll come back again here in a little bit. Let me get this stuff kind of resituated.
All right, circus goers. So for now, until I get the parts I needed in there, and then we broke something else right there. So, it's unfortunately where I live, I am too far away from any of these type of places that really deal with cars like this. So I got to order everything in or drive like forever. So I've got a bunch of parts ordered. We'll come back and hopefully we'll get that vacuum pump in the back there. Get that gasket fixed. I've got the master cylinder. I need to get that on and get these brakes bled. But we'll come back to that on another thing, bleeding brakes and all that. So thanks for watching and catch us on the next C230 video. All right, thanks.